Students, we have already discussed the numerical based on the topic Nernst equation. Now we are going to solve the numericals based on Gibbs free energy and dissociation constant. One question we have, that is calculate delta G and log Kc for the following reaction at 298 Kelvin. We have given chemical reaction, value of E naught cell and value of F is known to us. To solve these kind of questions, first of all we have to write chemical reaction if not given, and then we have to balance the chemical reaction. But in this question chemical reaction is given and that is balanced. After that we will write the formula. We have to calculate delta G. So the formula is delta G is equals to NF E naught cell. So for this we need to calculate the value of N. N is number of transferred electron. So if one chromium is converting into chromium 3 plus, here 3 plus will come, and then 2 chromium atoms are converting into 2 chromium 3 plus ions, then 6 electrons will be transferred. And same thing when one cadmium 2 plus will convert into cadmium, 2 electrons are required. When 3 cadmium 2 plus will convert into 3 cadmium, 6 electrons will be required. So total number of exchange of total number of electrons will be 6. So N is equals to 6 here. The 6 electrons which are donated by chromium will only be accepted by cadmium, means total transfer of electron is 6, not 12, because the 6 electron which are donated by chromium will be accepted by cadmium. So N is equals to 6 here. So we write the value of N, F and E naught cell is given, that we will put, and we can solve this. We can calculate the value of Gibbs energy change. Then we have to calculate log Kc. To calculate log Kc we have one formula. If we know Gibbs free energy, we can calculate dissociation constant K. The relation between these two is delta G is equals to minus 2.303 RT log Kc. Now we have to calculate log Kc, so we will write this formula in this form. This is the formula. Log Kc is equals to minus delta G naught divided by 2.303 RT. So to calculate log Kc, we will write all the values minus delta G and this minus value. This will become positive here. Then delta G 2.303, R 8.314, T is given 298. And when we will solve this, we can find out easily the value of log Kc. So like this we can solve the numericals related to this. Another type of numerical related to this concept is, one equation is given to you. You have to calculate Gibbs free energy. In this you have to calculate equilibrium constant. You have to calculate Kc, not log Kc. So again same thing, first of all you write chemical equation, here it is given and that is balanced. If cell representation is given, from that also you can write chemical equation and then you can balance it. Now simple formula we have to calculate standard Gibbs energy minus NF E naught cell. N for this is 2, because here Fe3 plus is converting Fe2 plus 1 electron, and if 2 Fe3 plus is converting into 2 Fe2 plus 2 electrons, one more, so 2 electrons are required. But when I minus is converting into I2, 2I minus means 2, so here total exchange of electron will be 2. एक्सचेंज कैसे निकालते हैं, जो डोनेट करता है कोई भी आयन और एटम और एक्सेप्ट करता है, तो उन दोनों का जो कंबाइन हम लेंगे, अलग अलग नहीं लेंगे कि यहाँ पे इसने 2 डोनेट किए हैं, इसने 2 एक्सेप्ट किए हैं 4 हो गया, नहीं, इट इज़ एक्सचेंज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन। तो जो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन एक सब्सटेंस डोनेट करता है वही दूसरा एक्सेप्ट करता है, तो एक्सचेंज कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का हुआ, ट्रांसफ़र कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का हुआ, वो होता है n। सो हियर n विल बी 2 and f is 96500 also you can write, or you can write exact value 96487. Then E naught cell is given to us, that same value we will put here, and if we solve we get the value of delta G. Now second part of the numerical, we have to calculate equilibrium constant. Same, we will use the formula delta G is equals to minus 2.303 RT log Kc. Then log Kc we write in this form, minus delta G divided by 2.303 RT. Then delta G we have already calculated, and this is in negative and this sign is also negative, so these both negative and negative, this will become positive, and value of delta G 2.303 RT. So when we solve this we get this much. So this is the value of log Kc. In the previous question we have seen that it was asked to calculate log Kc, but in this question we have to calculate K, equilibrium constant. But now by this we have found out K, log Kc, not Kc. So whatever value if you are getting that is in log form, log Kc is equals to this. To calculate Kc we have to take anti-log of this. So if we take anti-log of this we can get Kc. How to calculate log and anti-log, that I will teach you later on.